Hi! Welcome to our Magnolia Chicken Teriyaki Templados portion of the day. And today we're going to make a great dish, Yakisoba. And our ingredients are, we have 500 grams soba, which we will put in boiling water. Okay, our strainer is ready. And we let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So here we have our wok. Add our 1/4 cup margarine. Also add our garlic. We will cook until light brown. Once the garlic begins to brown, we add our violet onions. And we cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Also add our main ingredient, the Magnolia Chicken Teriyaki Chunks. It's already pre-marinated, so this is excellent, super sarap. Alright, so we add our soy sauce, our sake, mirin, sesame oil, tonkatsu sauce, salt and pepper, sugar, and we mix well. Then we add our carrots, red and green bell pepper, just like that. And we have our cabbage or repolyo, and give it a good mix. Finally, we're going to add our soba. We will mix in our chicken teriyaki chunks brought to you by Magnolia Templados. And you give it a good toss, like you're tossing a salad. And you can turn off your heat also, so you don't overcook our chicken. Okay, so here we have our yakisoba, and we're going to transfer it to our plate. Smells so good. So now we're going to top it with some bonito flakes. And we have some green seaweed. And here we have our yakisoba, brought to you by the Magnolia Chicken Teriyaki Templados. It's the best. It's ready to cook, very masarap, no stress at all. Hope you like this recipe.